ever watch Road Book?
If it was a rally car, not a truck, the wheel would be off. So you lost it. So you lost it actually. So you actually lost it, Yarima.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot, thank you.
But something has gone wrong.
What's gone wrong?
Got a puncture pump.
I'm going busy now.
Okay. Just wanted to have a look at this corner a bit more.
But he didn't touch anything. He
No,
didn't
I
touch
didn't.
anything.
No.
Imagine me imitate you. For me, you speak around like this. Imagine how difficult it is all the time to try to understand what you say. Okay.
Right, try again.
But this is roadbook content anyway.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm fast, you know. Going very well. In Swedish, I mean,
So, it's with you.
Yes, the tennis
Okay.
tennis challenge.
Well, I'm not so good, so I'm sorry
Okay.
if you. I hope it will be not too much boring for you, but.
I think you will not be that serious, but
Okay,
yes.
Okay, perfect.
Yes.
It will be your first time in the car.
Yes. I sat there for a second
And
and I got anxiety.
yeah.
I'm not in, like, I don't do a lot of extreme
Yeah,
things.
I understand.
Or
Therefore,
sports.
it's always strange the first time, but you will see. That is very nice. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thank you. Thank you. This one I keep it at home.
Yeah?
So-
You never play with it?
just introduce. No, I will not play it.
Inside the motor, and now we need to figure it out how it really works. So,
That's not how it works.
push and pull, and then it starts moving.
Oh my god. I'm going busy now.
Okay.
And when you want to stop, so this is supposed a lecture about conservation of angular momentum, nothing else.
Okay. Well, clearly you've done this before, so go on, tell us what to do.
Well, to be honest, I haven't done this specific thing before, but I did think
I
out
got
of this competition. It's not quite stable.
It is. I mean, if you knew. Yeah. That's the name of the car, Simple Genius. Downforce, sticky things. Are we ready for this?
Five more seconds for this round. 5, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yes!
Stop this round. So now there is only one.
Oh my god!
Hello. You must be my driver, yeah?
Nice to meet you. I'm lucky.
That's the only thing what I need to show you.
Yeah, okay.
Rest of it's just only kick it in and go.
Is it automatic? Like,
No, it's not
just
automatic.
one gear?
It's a Samsonite. No, it's not automatic. It's 6 gears,
Right.
but it's like without the clutch.
Yeah.
It's only a H pattern,
Okay.
and just kick it in and that's it. No clutch and that's it. Keep going.
Feel at home, sir?
It's okay. It's a bit different driving position for like Rally 3.
Did you find out how much power it's got?
Not really. I understand it's going 150 km per hour, but I don't know how much power it's got. But I hear that there are no brakes here really, so you need to pump the brake and hope it will slow down. So, be interesting.
The Matt Check and Rich competition's back on.
It wasn't a competition last time.
What happened, Rich?
Just wanted to have a look at this corner a bit more. It's quite soft here.
Ah, so you slide and you slide okay, like this.
He came in and just went, what?
Yeah, he thought that you had touched the rock.
No, 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 no. Look what Kirsten paused her screen on.
Genuinely, this is how my screen was left before we went there.
Just zoom into the text.
Yeah, I've got it there. Racing cars is not easy. Who said that?
A B apparently. Seems I was reading into the future.
Right speed, wrong corner.
Right speed, wrong corner.
Loodan uit de bielig bolle Paris, ik gooit in het bal. Missa tegen, oh. Ik zal van Beugel, Paris, ben ik net wat is Beugel, Paris, wil ik zo in Boes aan de lijn. De bielig bolle Paris, ik gooit in het bal. Moeder verhaal, in this video, oh yeah, this video, oh yeah, this video, this video.
Thank you, everyone. Are you ready to see some cars?
Looking forward to having big crowds here around the stages this weekend. It should be good fun.
Now, everyone is saying that you are the secret weapon this weekend. You could be on the top step of that podium. What do you feel about that?
Let's see, for sure we'll give it everything we can. It's for some unknown reason, it's a rally that we do well in every year. I don't know why, it's not what I was brought up on. I just enjoy the roads here, they're very special. It's a proper roller coaster experience and a lot of fun.
Are you a calm driver or an angry driver?
I'm a calm driver.
You're a calm driver?
Yeah.
So we don't want to like start shaking you and hyping you?
So much you're next.
Yep.
So 1 or 2 minutes and then we get
Okay. Is he good to go, Michele?
Yeah, we are ready to go. Yeah.
Anyway, that's one thing we were going to fix a good control on that.
So it's Matt Check driving in Poland as he was growing up.
We really need to know who won it, okay? Because
Hey, Yari.
I can sense there is some cheating going on here.
Maybe.
Yes. I touched the rock. Oh yeah, yeah. Do we know the times?
Oh, I do.
2:12.
Yeah. Yari only beat you by 3 seconds.
3 seconds, yeah. That's a win for Jari-Matti.
How many Ks is that?
Congratulations.
1.66.
1.6.
Hey, that's like 1.5 seconds a K.
Hey, that's 3 seconds you beat me by. I think I should
2
be...
seconds a K. I mean, I think there's
Fair play,
there's potential
Rich.
there.
Yeah, Rich, you had a good
Well
job.
done.
Good job.
You're going to sign him as a driver?
he has some potential, I must say. Definitely. He has a good co-driver now.
Yeah, exactly. We come as a pair. They're expensive though.
I went. But he didn't touch anything.
No,
didn't
I
touch
did.
anything.
No, this time I have to say I did touch.
No, yeah,
But I was so close. But I thought it.
If it was a rally car, not a truck, the wheel would be off. So you lost it. So you lost it actually. So you actually lost it, Jari-Matti.
No, but hey, we are driving these trucks.
Yeah, but you lost it, Jari-Matti.
I'm really happy that I only came second. I came second, and Yari only beat me by 3
I was
seconds.
going to say you were first of the Pro-Am.
Yeah, I was first at Pro-Am, yeah.
It was good fun.
Yeah, it was good fun, and the stakes was good for the game.
Yeah,
I also.
Yeah.
They run the stage on Saturday, don't they?
Let's go.
Yeah. Maybe we asked if we could do it on Saturday. So.
Did you enjoy yourself, Michele?
A lot.
Are you going to make a co-driving comeback?
Why not? With the truck.
There we go. Did you enjoy yourself, Mr. Walder?
Of course. Of course.
You're going to show Wojtek how it's done now.
I think he was watching me all live.
You're going to have to send him the onboard.
I don't know. Maybe I will get a blocking of him for understeering. Probably will.
First service. Now I'm just sort of reeling this wire up there.
Are you breathing as well?
I'm what?
Are you breathing as well?
No, just man.
Only just. You can only just manage it. Goodbye. You ever watch Road Book?
Yeah. You missed his breakfast.
Oh, what did you have for breakfast?
I'm trying to eat clean, and William had eggs.
He's gonna be hungry later.
Bacon, toast.
Oh, what are you having?
Cheers, sir. What are we doing? Putting a blank in.
Putting a blank in?
Yeah.
What's a blank?
Stop being too cool.
It's gone now.
He's also an armband, man.
Who? Must be cold or something. Must be cold.
There's a heat wave in the UK.
Well, yeah, since you left, yes, there's a heat wave in the UK. Let's talk about M Sports Day then, because it was going so well with Craig Breen early on. He was setting good pace. He's been on the podium here previously, and he had high hopes, but unfortunately, it all came to a close early on this morning for Craig.
Yeah, I think this is an event he was looking forward to all season, really. These next 3 events are ones he's very confident in, and it was a very good start. And we were maybe not quite on the top speed of Voigt and Calais and Elvin, but we were not far behind at all. And just one very small mistake into a very fast left-hander and got on the loose gravel and went off into the grass. But just our luck, there was 2 very big concrete posts hidden in the grass, which actually broke both suspension on the front. So they've probably been there they're probably older than Craig is, and we found them. So otherwise, I think if they weren't there, we probably would have driven out and lost maybe 10 seconds. But okay, you can't. This happens sometimes, and we just have to carry on and reset and keep going. Yeah.
Yeah.
Next to Mal.
Yes. You're a rock star.
Rock star.
Oh,
Thanks
yeah.
very much.
The funniest looking rock star I've ever seen.
The worst looking
The
rock star.
is the worst.
Yeah. He needs to grow one of these to be a rock star.
I wouldn't necessarily have to get going for 4 tyres, like it's probably a bit far from that.
The only driver on it would be.
I'm more than happy to go for it. If you tell me you're having a 4, I'd happily go for it. That's the easiest way, because then you get rid of the rally car jack as well. Fuck straight away. Well, you can then shuffle the weight about a bit.
Yeah, I was going to say if you get a puncture, what do you do? You do nothing.
It doesn't matter, right? Doesn't matter.
But something has gone wrong.
What's gone wrong?
Got a puncture pump.
Could be better.
What's happened to your wing mirror, Jonas?
Hands got too close to a bale. There we go. I've run out of tissue.
There you go. Jonas saves the day.
Oh, God. Here you go, Donald. Look at that.
What did Pierre Louis say?
Couldn't hear a thing.
Exhaust over pipe. Exhaust over pipe.
You're hybrid, aren't you?
Yeah? Well, pull it all the way back. Does it fall off the exhaust or what? It's alright now. Yeah. Yep. Okay, thank you.
What kind of things are we going to be trying today?
I think things for me, not for the car. The car's been really nice all weekend, so try a few new things myself and see if I can learn anything.
Aye, banging there. Thank you.
Not bad.
Got to watch a bit of sun there. I don't have my cream on.
Võitjad. The winners of Junior WRC as well as WRC3, Sami Bajari, Enni Mälkanen. And the trophy. Now it's time to celebrate.